Hello, and welcome to today's Speaky Card reading. Today's topic is the compliments that people give you but behind your back. For that, as usual, you have three piles: pile number one, pile number two, and pile number three. Guys, I'm also coming up with the charms and the guided messages, so stay with me till the end of each reading. And now let's get started. Please share, like, comment, subscribe because they mean an awful. Hello, Pile Van. Let's see the compliments people give you behind your back. Okay, Tiger. Doing something risky, taking a chance. Okay, so people are complimenting you on the fact that you being a risk taker, you being a courageous individual. You are a person who is very courageous, very determined, very driven by their motives and goals, and you're willing to put in the extra effort to you're willing to go that extra mile in order to be able to achieve the goals that you want to achieve. Family matters. Okay, so compliments, a lot of you are very much family oriented. For you, your family, your near and dear ones, your friends, they matter so much. Them, their opinions, a lot of you are doing pretty decently. I'm already getting a whiff, and you're one of those people whom people tend to reach out to, especially when they're genuinely in trouble. It could be financially or physically. You're one of those 3M friends, or if you know that some of your friends are ill, you would probably cook for them. You will probably like keep them at your own place. You're that kind of a person in general. Funnel. Period of frustration. Lessons to be learned. I'm seeing you as a person who is very, very, I'm seeing you have been through a phase. I mean, it hasn't been easy. Like most of us, it hasn't been easy. You have been frustrated, delusion, being like betrayed, and you have felt those emotions, but that hasn't stopped you from being a risk taker. That has not made you step away from your natural instincts, and that is something that people tend to compliment you on, that this is a person, in spite of having their own share of pitfalls, they never shied away from like what they needed to do with their lives. Misunderstanding, yeah, I'm seeing a lot of you have been like at the receiving end of misunderstandings. Maybe some of you have a very forward thinking kind of mindset, and you say stuffs blatantly on face. Some of you are that way. I'm seeing like you have no problem calling a spade and not a lawnmower. So that kind of a mindset where you are straight away calling people out at face, things can go a little bit, like things can become a little bit difficult, things can go a little haywire. That's what I'm seeing. Haystack. Okay. Karma, you will reap what you have sown. Literally, people are noticing the success that, like, you're getting some recognition for your old work. The things that you have done earlier, you're being recognized now. You used to put in the work day in, day out, and today you're getting the results of those at last. And people are complimenting you. I'm seeing a lot of, people are actually, it's not just the limelight. Probably a lot of you could be not a limelight kind of a person. I mean, you enter the room, you do not like to be the center of attention, but you are getting that attention without even trying. Keep your life in balance. You have a very balanced life, in like you are a very balanced individual. Like a lot of Librans can be seen, you're one of those people who has a very settled private life, at the same time very an outgoing person. You do your bit for your society. You have a great career, so you are very good at compartmentalizing things and executing every single day, day in and day out. You know how to execute stuffs, and that is something that people really compliment you on, because a lot of you, I'm getting, are Librans and Sagittarius and Aquarius, very ahead of their times, forward thinking kind of people in general ways. Secret admirer. Yeah, I'm saying a lot of you guys actually have secret admirers because of the way in which you present yourself to the world. Absolutely. Like you being an all rounder, a risk taker, a forthright kind of a person actually makes you a very attractive persona in general. Archway. New opportunities, possibilities, and paths opening up. You are a person who is like, you know what, it's through your own hard work, it's through your risk taking nature, hard work, very adventure seeking, thrill seeking nature, that you guys have been able to like, achieve a lot of things, a lot of stuffs which were like totally out of your bucket list, totally out of your, like they were not even a part of your dreams or bucket list or whatever you may call it. But you have had a lot of unexpected blessings in your life, all because you have been that person who never gave up, who took that extra risk, who walked those extra miles in order to achieve their goals, in order to achieve success. Door. Opportunities are waiting for you. Literally, I'm saying you guys are, you know what, people genuinely compliment you on the fact that you are, some people will call you an opportunistic person, but basically you have you have a very good knack at like finding out, spotting the gaps in the market, so to say, the opportunities that are there. Life presents us, all of us, with opportunities. It depends on us whether we can spot them, we can work on them or not. And that is something I can see in your case. Pathway. You know what, I'm seeing you being a person who is literally, you are being seen as a self-made person, somebody who has created their path in this lifetime. All right, guys, up until now, if you like my content, guys, please hit the like button, share, subscribe, comment, and also, guys, stay till the end, because I'm bringing in the charms and the guided messages as well. You are a self-made person, and people compliment you on that. You are coming, most of you are coming from a very humble background and have come a long way in your life, and that is something that people really really appreciate about you. Change. You are a person who is literally, you have transformed your life. You guys have changed your life with your own hard work. You have been both the architect and the alchemist of your own destiny. People compliment you also on the ambitions. Privileged lady. I'm seeing a lot of them. Literally, people find you as a very classy person, be it a woman or a man, whichever way you want to identify yourself. You are a very, very classy, privileged kind of a person in general. That's what I can see. Family room. You are somebody who is, I'm seeing like repeatedly the message is your family plays a significant role in your life. They have been, either I'm seeing for some of you, sadly, it's your family which broke you early in life, who actually were not there when they you needed them the most, and that actually sealed your fate, that made you the way you are today. Also, for some of you, it's your family who became the rock of your support, especially when you needed them the most. Mischief. Yes, I'm seeing some of you have faced, from close quarters, either your family or your ex, like a manipulative situation. And people compliment you on the fact that you have become, what that has done is you have become a very good judge of human character. Today, you can judge people better. You are a better judge of human character today. Distance. Some of you, okay, mischief and distance. Some of you clearly were like brought up in a family situation where you are being bullied and harassed, or a school scenario where you are being repeatedly being bullied and harassed, but you did manage to, firstly emotionally, then physically, distance yourself from your bullies. those people who did you wrong, you didn't try to go after them, you just shunned them and you tried to protect yourself. And I'm saying, okay, protection, and you have been protected. And people, actually, the way in which you have protect, a lot of you actually had to grow up on your own. I'm seeing some of you for the foster care situation, growing up with their grandparents, some of you literally having that protective barrier, having, like, literally, you have been bullied, but then you find a better support system, and people compliment you for that, because one, that exposure has made you stronger, and at the same time, the way in which you are protected, this people actually give you the real true support. For a lot of you, it actually could be your grandparents, your foster parents, or maybe a good teacher whom you look up to. I'm seeing they actually imparted a lot of good qualities in you, which people compliment you for today. Temperance, let go of self imposed limitations. Yes. You know what? You have learned to let your self imposed beliefs, and you have learned to emancipate yourself from your own head and your own thinking. That is something you have had. A lot of you have struggled with addictions, and maybe I'm not good enough syndrome, imposter syndrome, that is to say. And you have had people around you telling you that you're actually, like, validating those negative thought patterns as well. So from there, you have managed to emancipate your own self. Nine of Wands. It would take a hell of a lot more to defeat you. Exactly. What I'm seeing is, mm, you are a person who cannot be defeated today. People actually compliment you on the fact that you have turned out to be a very, not a wimpy person, instead, a very strong, principled, determined kind of an individual you've turned out to be. Seven of Wands. For you, you are not a scared person. You're not scared to face the obstacles that life might throw at your direction. And that is another thing that people like, really, how strong you have turned out to be. You can literally, a lot of you could also be into self defense or adventure sports, but you know how to defend yourself effectively. Ambitious. You are an extremely ambitious person, very ambitious, determined, driven, focused, that kind of a person in general. Three of Wands. Put yourself out there and you will be rewarded one way or the other. Literally, I'm seeing you are a person who is, you know, a lot of you could actually be on social media and getting the due recognition after a long time. Like, you have been through that self imposter syndrome, like self, I'm not good enough syndrome, and for that you have procrastinated your own progress. And people are today, now that you have started putting yourself out there, it could be your on the net, on the social media, it could be your own website which you run for some kind of like, you could be having a product that you guys sell and it's getting its due recognition and appreciation, and people are complimenting you that this person always had a lot of potential. It's just that they sat on this potential this long, this far, thus far they sat on this potential, and today they are doing so much better. Six of Cups. Give yourself the compassion you were never given. Literally, I'm seeing a lot of you being very, very compassionate, very, you're not just compassionate towards others. At times what we do is we are pretty nice and kind with our gestures to others, but towards our own self we end up being pretty cruel. But you, my dear pile number one, are not one of those people. You know exactly what empathy and self compassion means. You genuinely love yourself and you're not afraid to show it to the world, and people compliment you for that. The confidence that you exude as a result, that is something that people really appreciate you for. Queen of Wands. You are a person who is, you know what, you are being seen as somebody who is powerful. At the same time, you're like a coconut, very strong, but at the same time on the interior it's soft and juicy and watery. So you have both sides to you. You have the power and connections, and which you use in order to help and support others. Three of Cups, come together with your coven. I'm seeing you guys literally celebrating your milestones in life, and people are noticing that. Some from afar, some are really appreciating what you have achieved in this lifetime of yours. King of Wands, shine your inner candlelight bright enough for others to follow. Literally, people, you guys are being seen as a very knowledgeable person, very cerebral, insightful, very knowledgeable. Shining your inner candlelight typically shows you sharing your own set of knowledge with the others, which makes you a very good teacher, a mentor figure, a counselor, and people really valuing your opinion. That's what I'm saying. People complimenting and valuing your opinion, that this is a person who is very not just knowledgeable, that they have a very strong head over their shoulders. That's the impression I'm getting. Four of Swords. Why aren't you resting? Okay. Also, you guys are known for your impeccable work ethics. You don't believe in resting, maybe. For some of you, you clearly do not believe in resting. You guys just keep on doing the work, doing the knitfuls, because for you, that's all that matters in one's life. The Lovers. Will you or won't you? The choice is yours. I'm seeing for a lot of you, you guys have chosen, like you have been blessed enough to be able to choose your own life path. That is something I can see. Like people are really, a lot of you have made some unconventional decisions. Some of you could be from a more gender neutral communities, and you have made certain decisions in your life which are pretty bold, that has raised a lot of eyebrows. Maybe you've faced a few brickbats initially, but that's how life is. That's what life is all about, right? So if we move on, you know how to embrace your true self, and people are complimenting you on that. Trust in the unknown. You are a big believer that there is some divine intervention that is always happening, that is always protecting you. And people are flat, like even during your darkest days, you never stopped believing in that. Trust your instincts. Yeah, you're also very intuitive. Your gut feelings, your hunches usually turn out to be true, and people compliment you. Like this is a person who is very intuitive, very instincts driven kind of a person. Get grounded. Empaths, highly sensitives, connect with the nature. Literally, you are a person. You could be like somebody who is very social and outgoing. At the same time, in your own personal space and time, you could be a person who is very grounded, very empathetic, very sensitive, very determined, very driven. Those qualities can also be seen in you. Walk through your fears, Scorpio, new moon. I'm seeing for a lot of you, Scorpio can be significant, and working through your fears. Literally, you guys have faced your fears. You guys have worked through your fears and have moved on. You are one of those people who have l- definitely faced, who have managed to face their fears head on. Eagle, see from the higher perspective. You know what? I'm seeing you are a person who has managed to look at life from a higher, more, you have learned to appreciate life. You are a person who appreciate each and every day and not take anything for granted. Taurus, new moon, Taurus can be significant. I'm seeing a lot of earth signs can also be significant. Earth and then air like Libra, Aquarius, and Gemini. Also Sagittarius for some of you, and Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn can be significant for some of you. Okay, prosperity lies ahead. Literally, people feel that you know what, this is a person who's gonna make it really bigger. They are doing well, but they are gonna make it bigger, better in this lifetime. Expectations. Don't seek anyone's approval. Absolutely, you are a person who does not seek other people's approval. You're very much your own person. You know how to hold your own ground in an argument. That is what I can see. Gold, you don't need someone else to fix you. Literally, you are a person who does not need others to fix you. You are a person who is, how shall I put it? You are a person who is very self sufficient. And I'm saying, there was a time when you literally felt probably I'm not good enough, to today, you know what, it just doesn't matter how you feel about me. So that transition has happened in a lot of your cases. It comes with time and practice, confidence. So I'm seeing you being this person, to getting complimented today for your confidence, for your self assured nature. So you guys have come a long, long way in life. You've done a lot of deep inner work on your own self. Pile one, time for the charms. All right, you guys are an emancipated soul, and people really compliment you on that. You are a very free thinker kind of a person, and people love it. Literally, you are a peace loving person. I'm seeing a lot of travels happening. People really, you know what, you guys are doing really well in life, and that is giving you, you guys are really flying. I'm seeing fine dining. So good life in general for a lot of you, and people are on your like, people are literally complimenting you on your success, on your achievements in general. A peace lover, a mermaid who is, like, very ethereal. A lot of water elements I'm seeing, like a fish, a mermaid tail, something very unexpected, an unexpected blessing happening, and all the eyes are on you. You could be, a lot of you could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpios. Also, some of you could be going near a water body, either staying there, buying a house, or maybe just going there. You are wearing a crown. Seriously, I'm seeing a lot of no acknowledgements and accolades coming your way. Also, you are have the blessings of a Devi. So some kind of good things happening to you for sure. I'm deeper than the deep. My aspirations and ambitions, you do not allow me to sleep. Literally, I'm seeing you are a person who has you are a deep thinker. You're a very deep mind of your own. You have your own ambitions, your aspirations, which literally does not let you sleep. You're a very ambitious person, and people compliment you on that. You have disappointed me, you have let me down, but I haven't let you break my spirit. It's the spirit that keeps my dreams alive. You know what? You are a fighter. People love, respect, and salute your fighting spirit for sure. Life is as simple as you keep it, as complicated as you make it. Literally, you are a person who is very, like, you live by this mantra. Your life is either as simple as you keep it, or it's really gonna be complicated and whatnot. So I'm saying you are a person who just does not allow life to dictate themselves in general. I'm always prepared to face whatever life throws at me. I have no problem standing my ground. You are a person who is very, very, you're very determined. You know how to stand your ground. You know how to fight your own battles. And that's how you have survived. And not just survived. Look at you. You guys are thriving. But you have to stand up for yourself for that, and people really respect that. You are being seen as a very stubborn candidate for sure, not a pushover at all right, guys, I hope you had some clarity over your situation. If yes, guys, please hit the like button, share, subscribe, comment. Thank you. Namaste. Hello, pile 2. What are the compliments people give you behind your back? All right. Fox. Shrewdness and resourcefulness, especially in business. All right, you know what? The first impression that I'm getting is you are a person who is being seen as very shrewd and resourceful in business purpose. You tend to actually, you know, at the first brush, you tend to intimidate. You'd come across as somebody who is very powerful, a little bit standoffish, very strong, you know, mm, very intoxicating, very unforgettable kind. But as people get to know you better, that is the time when they tend to like open up more. Like what they realize is you probably tend to come off as all of this, but you're probably a decent person as well. You have the guts to stand up against the discrimination that are happening. All right, that's the first compliment, that they come across as somebody who is very smart, very shrewd, very intimidating, but at the same time they have a sense of like their moral compass is very strong, absolutely on point rather. Caterpillar, things will not always be this way, a change is coming. You are somebody who has transformed your own life with your own efforts. You are being seen as a very self made person. Yeah, absolutely. Major challenges to overcome. You overcame a lot of you, literally transformed your life, transformed yourself from a caterpillar into a beautiful, beautiful butterfly, with a lot of class, a lot of grace. You do not allow people to treat you beneath your dignity, like beneath a certain level. You have your standards which are very, very high, for sure. Sun, happiness and well being. Yes, you are being seen as a very warm, charming. The moment you enter the room, people genuinely feel that warmth emanating from you. You're a very warm, charming, very nice, graceful kind of a person. You're an epitome of grace, for sure, and people really respect that about you. Grapes, time to go out and have fun. Also, you are a very fun loving person. You do not take, like, you take your work very seriously, but you do not take yourself that seriously. You are a very fun loving kind of a person, very happy go lucky, believe in living life to the fullest kind of a person in general. Tortoise, slowly but surely getting ahead. You are a person who is slowly but surely, you guys are getting ahead in life. You guys have achieved whatever you are meant to achieve. That is something, like, you guys are very self-made person. A lot of you coming from a very humble background and achieving quite a bit in life. All right, guys, up until now, if you like my content, guys, please, please, please hit the like button, share, subscribe, comment. And guys, I'm bringing in the charms and the channel messages, so stay tuned till the end as well. Freedom. Yes, you are being seen as a free bird, an emancipated soul. People compliment you. You are a very high spirited person. You have that spirit to achieve something great, to make something worthwhile of your life in general. And people really compliment, not just men, women alike. Curiosity. A lot of you are very curious in nature. You are like lifelong learners. You love to, some of you could be like researchers and teachers and very nerdy, very cerebral, but I'm seeing you could also be like teach. Your life is the best teacher, right? And your life has taught you to be very curious, very mm, eager, curious, that kind of a person, and that has helped you go further, achieve, yeah, a lot of success and growth. I am seeing like people are complimenting you on the fact that you guys have had excuse me, the growth and the success and abundance, everything you have achieved with your own efforts. Like, I'm seeing people are rooting for your success. People love it. There are some people who are actually looking up to you. If this person can do it, you are like that motivation. Like your success story is like a motivational story. It's like a motivation, for a source of motivation for a lot of others. That is something I'm seeing. And people root for your success. You're that kind of a figure people tend to whom look up to. For a lot of you, your seniors and your juniors tend to look up to. You are a person who is very focused, very direction oriented, very focused. You have that laser focus. A lot of you could be having a Jeshta or an Ashlesha nakshatra involved. Like a Scorpio can be significant for a lot of you. Seven of Wands, you typically absolutely tend to intimidate a lot of people at the first brush. Like those people will probably come back and say later that, you know what, initially I thought you are very dark, very mysterious, very witchy, but the way in which, like, now that I get to know you a little better, we know how great a human being you are. People realize that you are somebody who always speaks up against discrimination. Maybe someone in need, maybe somebody being creepy to a fellow human, and you standing up for them. That's it. Also, what I'm seeing is you tend to give off a lot of boss vibes in general, very responsible boss. A lot of you started your financial journey, had to start your financial journey pretty early, and you guys are reaping the rewards of the same as well, but you have to start pretty early, and you guys did fantastic there. What I'm seeing is you have had like you tend to give off a very nice good boss vibes. You could be a very strict boss but a very good boss, very fair person in general as well. A lot of people, I'm also hearing, you're so good at creating. Yeah, some of you are absolutely like self-employed, and you started from the back of your kitchen, from the back of your garage. From there, you guys started, some of you from your own bedroom, and you have built it up bit by bit from there, and people really respect. Like now, probably you have a team of a few people, and people really respect you for who you are. Six of Swords, I'm seeing you being somebody who is you have endured, you have had your own share of struggles and obstacles, but you have crossed past that. You are like a motivational figure for a lot of people. People compliment you that if this person can do it, so can we. That is one thing I'm seeing for sure. You're seeing as a very strong. See how strong she is, that a bear is her pet. Literally, you are like that person who can put up, people literally feel that you can throw them in any kind of fire, and they will come out on the other side as a winner. People have that kind of confidence in you. You are being seen as that strong. A lot of you are very smart people, could be very book smart, like very good academically, having PhDs and masters and all such stuff. I'm seeing some of you, probably a big chunk of you, are also coming from the STEM background, from like science, technology, medicine, chemistry, physics, something related to coding, IT, or maybe even economics, something related to this kind of backgrounds. You could be an artist, but that is usually not the main aspect. And you have used your skills to start a business or something, an entrepreneurial venture of your own, and that is giving you a lot of success, a lot of visibility, and people, like, you guys have climbed your way up. The Sun card, you are a successful person. You're being seen as a success material. A successful person, somebody who knows exactly uh, where they are from, and where, like, how far they have come. You're a very grounded person. Like, in spite of all the success, you guys are also being seen as a very grounded person. The way in which you approach normal people, like, I'm seeing a lot of your juniors, they were initially intimidated, but now they have become your best friends, they consider you as their confidant, that kind of a situation. You know what I'm seeing also, you guys have a reputation of being a heartbreaker, creating upheaval, a storm in a lot of people's minds. I'm seeing a lot of secret admirers as well. For sure, I'm seeing a lot of secret admirers for you. Very, very colorful persona. A lot of you could be Geminis, Sagittarius, Aries, this kind of very colorful, outgoing, gregarious, social butterfly, getting a lot of attention and flirting right back. You can be like, you tend to evoke emotions which they people had not felt earlier. You have a lot of admirer, simple, both secret and not so secret. You have a very, very obsessive energy you have felt at times. Like, people tend to get very obsessed about you, like looking at you through rose tinted glasses, in fact. Yeah, there is something very royal and regal about you. People also realize that you have got very high standards and expectations from your own self. And even when you're asking for something, for a favor from somebody, you do not bow down much. You know what you're asking for, and you're not ashamed, not apologetic about it. Yeah, you are a firebrand, feisty firebrand kind of a person. Believe in the impossible. You are a person who genuinely believed in their own selves and in the universe when no one else believed in you, and people compliment you. You guys are very, very much, you have like totally surrendered yourself to the divine, and people appreciate that about you. People also appreciate how devoted and committed you are, like a saint. You have, like, you could be having a very flamboyant external life, at the same time you are a very nose to the grindstone kind of a person as well, very sage like, very devoted and dedicated towards what they do, very committed, disciplined, living a very simplistic disciplined life as well. The energy is gaining momentum. Yeah, I'm seeing more and more people are actually appreciating your body of work. They're appreciating what you bring on table. I'm seeing some of you could also be some kind of activists who were being laughed at, like, say, plastic. It's a nuisance now, right? We all appreciate that. But like 10 years back, people would laugh at you when you would say, and you were one of those initial people who started talking about those, and people used to laugh at you. Wolverine, you are a lot tougher than you think you are. You are a very tough person, very tough, very determined, very driven, and you're not taken aback by the small punches, the gut punches, that the curveballs that life throws at you. You are not really intimidated by those, for sure. Polar bear, stand up for yourself and speak your truth respectfully and compassionately, with no attachment to outcome. Literally, I'm seeing for a lot of you, you have the guts. People compliment you for the fact that you are a very respectful person, very compassionate, respectful, and a very graceful person in general. But you have the spine to speak up when you feel there is some discrimination happening. This is something I've talked about earlier as well. Be fearless and stand strong. Yeah, you are a very fearless soul, very fearless, very determined, very driven, very focused, fearless, determined, driven. This kind of a person in general you are. Cat, it's time to strike out on your own and relinquish your over dependency on others. Absolutely. You are also being complimented for how independent. You are a fiercely independent person. Very mystical, very independent, very reliable kind of a person you are. It's time to take action, Aries. You know what? Aries can be significant for a lot of you. You're very action oriented. Sorry, guys, my battery died. So there was a small break. So, you know what? You're very driven, very focused, extremely action oriented. You know exactly what is the right thing for you to do, and you are always at it. You just keep on doing what is right for you to do. Justice is coming. You are a very fair and just person in general. Very fair, very just, very driven, very focused kind of a person in general. Tower, unplug and relax for a spell. You know what? People also compliment you for the fact that you are a workaholic, and some of them would appreciate if you took a break once in a while. Slow down and celebrate yourself. You are somebody who genuinely lives by the mantra of self love and self respect, and people realize that about you. Trust me, guys, people notice you, they realize what you bring, they respect what you bring on table. Do not doubt your worth. I'm always enough. Yes, I'm seeing this fulfilling this. I do not need others to fulfill myself. I am happy where I am at in life. That kind of a mindset is something that draws in a lot of compliments for you as well. Hello, hello, pile 2, time for the charms. You know what? You are a person, I'm seeing this manifestation tree. Literally, you guys have manifested all of your bigger dreams. You are a manifestation, like you're a blessed person. That's what, like, you guys are a manifestation machine. A lot of you are seen as a very wise, philosophical soul. Music does play a significant role in a lot of your lives. Oops, I'm so sorry. Sorry, guys. I just moved my camera, but I do not want to set it up another way because it should be continued the way it is. So, okay, now the sun card. Typically, you know what? People compliment you on the fact that you guys have a very warm, charming, nice, kind persona. Same time, very attractive, very bright, attractive kind of a persona. You are like a trophy for a lot of people. You have that king and queen vibes about you. You know what? Your time has arrived. You guys are getting all the right kind of attention at last. Music plays a significant role. Yeah, you are a very happy person. You give up. There are certain people, whenever we are around them, people just feel happy in general. You are one of those people. Also, what I'm seeing with the cycle is some of you are into cycling or biking, hiking, biking, those kind of stuff, or into very much into fitness. For a lot of you, you guys are very much into fitness. All right, now time for the channel messages. Very tall with good muscles. Okay, so some of you could be attracting somebody. I'm seeing what, like, conventionally a gorgeous looking human. That's what people think of you as. Or maybe you are attracting somebody with these qualities. Okay, your kindness and compassion makes you stand out. People love how kind you are. A gorgeous person physically speaking, yet you are a very kind and compassionate one, which makes you stand out even more in the crowd. Yes, you embody a lot of king and queen qualities: confidence, strength, capability, toughness. People really love that. Like, in spite of being very attractive, you're a very confident, capable, kind, and compassionate person. Doesn't matter what others say, all that matters is my own belief. Your own belief system is very, very strong. You know what? You are a person who has a lot of conviction. You have a lot of conviction about your own self. Like, you know what you're good at and what you're not, and you go by that as well. Kindness is a choice. You can choose to be a cruel person, but as I said, it's a choice as well. Literally, I'm seeing you are a very kind, very nice, kind, generous, giving kind of a person, and people really compliment you on that. All right, guys, I hope you have had some clarity over your situation. If yes, guys, please hit the like button, share, subscribe, comment. And now, thank you, namaste. Hello, hello, pile 3. Let's see the compliments people give you behind your back. Okay, the first one is the broken bridge. Unsuccessful outcome to a problem. Okay. So the first one is obviously it's an unsuccessful outcome to a problem. So let's see. Let me just go through your other cards and see where it ends. Okay. Torch: spiritual development, enlightenment, awareness, and understanding. Okay, so I'm saying for a lot of you, you've faced some some difficulties and impediments, almost like tower moments. For a lot of you, yes, tower moments are coming to my mind. And what you did was you literally turned your adversities into opportunities. That was the gateway that acted as a gateway for towards your spiritual development life. Like you started exploring the spiritual side of your personality, because you know what, a lot of us, whenever we are going through the difficult times, that's the time we tend to lean more towards spirituality. And that is exactly what you did. For a lot of you, that is something. And you know, you are a very spiritually, naturally spiritually blessed person, and that happened after or when you're going through a very difficult phase in your life, and people really compliment you how you turned your adversities into opportunities. Deep personal strength and peace that assure success. Exactly. You know what? You are one of those people. You tend to have a very cathartic effect on a lot of others. People compliment. A lot of you could be very good speakers, spiritual healers of some sort, could be into occult, astro, tarot, reiki, crystal healing, something of that sort, like occultic healing of some sort. That is something I can see. Also, what I'm seeing is, for a lot of you, you guys are very intellectually blessed, and people compliment you on that. Very, let's see like how it develops, but somehow I'm feeling for a lot of you, you guys are very much in your head, and people just wonder what's going on inside of your head. Like, you are a very interesting person who likes to reside in the realm of ideas. For a lot of you, someone walking against you behind your back, you have faced a lot of backstabbing, and you still face a lot of criticism, but what matters is you have done such a great job in spite of all the nonsense being thrown at you. A lot of you are very visible people. A lot of people, it doesn't have to be a social media wise, it could be like you get a lot of visibility at your local level, and people really respect you for who you are, how you are. Time to act. Yes, you're extremely action oriented, very driven, very focused, very action oriented. Somebody, you know, you are a person who is a deep thinker, and you also know how to implement your thought process, how to put them to action as well, is very well known to you. Stork. News of a birth or a new business opportunity. Literally, I'm seeing a lot of you are like, you have started, you've got your own endeavor, your own enterprise, and you guys have really made a success out of it. And people are really intrigued by the fact that this is a person, like, a lot of people really sold you short. They didn't really expect much of you, but what people are today complimenting you on is you have a great vision, you are a great strategist, you know how to move on in life, move ahead in life, and create something significant. Yes, you're yet very humble. You know, literally people want to take their hats off to you. A lot of people, literally, they are taking their hats off to you. You are a person whom life can't beat down easily. Like, if, yeah, we all get punched in our guts once in a while, but you know how to brush yourself off and start moving ahead, start moving forward in life. All right, guys, up until now, if you like my content, guys, please hit the like button, share, subscribe, comment. Guys, your each and every comment, like, share makes such a difference to me. Thank you so much for being the way you are. You guys have been my biggest support system. And guys, I'm also bringing in charms and guided messages, so please do stay till the end. Thank you. But increase your efforts if you want to achieve your goals. Yeah, you're very driven, very work oriented. You know, you are a very popular person. For a lot of you, you command a lot of respect, very self reliant, high endurance, popular, powerful, a very strong character, all in all. Everywhere you go, you, every discussion you take part in, people tend to give you a lot of importance, your opinions. You are a very bold person. Very moment you enter the room, like, you become visible immediately. Dog close up, pleasure with a close friend. I'm seeing for a lot of you, you guys are seriously, like, you have a lot of people who are in your own group, who are your cheerleaders. I'm seeing literally you are a person who tend to draw a lot of people in. People from form allies with you because they feel protected. It could also be your charm, it's your charisma. Temporary problems, yeah, nothing, like, okay, and persevere, you will overcome the problem. Exactly, nothing can stop you. You are such a determined person. You're very hell bent for success. You're that kind of a person who can literally go to any extent, who has no problem putting themselves in a very uncomfortable situation. A lot of natural leadership qualities about you, like, which like, you can do anything in order to achieve your goals, and people really compliment you on that. Community, yeah, you are a person who is very driven by community. You're known for your social work, for being generous to the have nots. You tend to contribute. It could be financially, it could be like being a very good teacher, good doctor, it could be anything. Like, you are known for your contributions to the society, to your community at large. High honor, wow. Wow, people literally, I'm seeing, as I said, you know what, people literally love to take their hats off for you, or rather to you. Journey, yeah, your life has been a journey. Like, number 10, it shows a new start and completion of the old. Like, what a journey it has been. People compliment, like, a lot of you have started your journey from a very, very humble beginnings to reach wherever you have today. Unexpected income, you are a person who has had a very, like, you have, I'm seeing, like, an unexpected income out of nowhere. Probably not, but you have been working very hard, and at last it's paying you what you deserve, and you are reaping the seeds that you had once sown. So that kind of an income I'm seeing, and it was very unexpected because you didn't expect it to, like, karma works in weird ways. That is what is happening in your case. Courtship, for a lot of you, you guys are really, mm, a lot of you are actually probably starting a new fresh start relationship wise, a new person, a better person, because some of you have faced a betrayal trauma in life, and now you're doing better after all. Balance, you are like, you do the balancing act really well. See, on this windy day, this crow is sitting, how he or she is balancing them in this on this three thin rope. This is how you are. This is rope walking, thin, walking on this thin rope is it's a very challenging task, but you are great at it. You manage your personal life, professional life, social life all at once with ease and elan. You've got no problem doing that, and people really, really compliment you for that. Abundance, you are an abundant person. Abundance is your birthright. Literally, that's what you believe in. Like, you know what, I deserve everything that I'm receiving today. That is something that, you exude that confidence, that natural confidence. That is something that you exude, and people really compliment you on that. Community, okay, community is coming twice. Wow, from two different decks altogether, guys. Wow, you guys are known in your community for your contributions, for your work, for your, a lot of you are gonna actually leave behind a legacy behind you, for your contributions to the society, to the community at large. High Priestess, when in doubt, your first gut feeling can always be trusted. Literally, I'm seeing for a lot of you, you guys are literally very blessed. Your instincts and hunches and gut feelings are usually, they come true. They tend to come true. No matter what, people might try to belittle you for that, might laugh at you, but people can't ignore them. That's for sure. Ace of Cups, do you feel that in your heart? It's a potential, dear. Literally, I'm seeing for a lot of you, you guys are, you know, You have the potential in you to make it really big. Literally, people around you compliment you on the fact that this person came from nowhere and have gone places, but this person is actually going to achieve a lot more in life. That's exactly how they feel about you. What they think about you and feel about you is like, seriously, this is a person who can go places in life. Page of Wands, just because you're passionate about it doesn't mean it will be effortless. Absolutely. You have worked very, very hard. You have given your all, your blood, sweat, tears, everything to reach wherever you have today. You guys have put in all the right kind of efforts, all the right kind of noises you have put out into the universe, and have reached the position. You know what? If nothing seems to be going your way, cast a spell. Seriously, I'm seeing this also gives off the vibes of somebody who is very cerebral, somebody who has the potential to build something really big with what is going on inside of your head. You know, you are a reader. A lot of you are very like avid readers, and you are book lovers. For a lot of you, you're very like, I'm seeing very elusive, very much like head in the clouds. You know, a lot is going on in your mind, emotionally very busy, think a deep thinker, and people just wonder what is going on. You know what? In fact, you are a very interesting person. You come across as somebody, if people ask you, like when they get to pick at your mind, that beautiful mind of yours, people are usually left in awe. They are really fascinated. You are a very fascinating persona. Very like you have a very active mind and vivid imagination. For sure. A lot of you could also be a very good painter, writer, creative artist, but I'm seeing reading, writing plays a significant role. You are a thinker in a lot of ways. Like you love to dwell in the realm of ideas for sure. Eight of Swords, stop overthinking it and just do it. You are a person. I'm seeing you guys are doers. Literally, you believe in executions. You think, but you don't overthink. You think and then you act. Like there is this 50-50 division. Like either you are thinking or you are like all about action. I'm doing what I was thinking. Like I was thinking about doing this, that, and the other. Instead of all of that, let me just do and do it. Let yourself, and people really respect that. Let yourself be continually surprised by this thing called life. Literally, you know what? You are a person who is, seriously, you are like a child. For you, experiencing life is like a kid in a candy shop. Everything is, you're continuously being surprised by life. Always, sometimes the curveball, sometimes the delightful experiences, but nonetheless you are being surprised by life in general. Seven of Pentacles, nurture what you have and see how it grows and grows. Literally, you are a person who has learned, like literally, you a lot of you are actually entrepreneurs. I'm seeing entrepreneurs, very good writers and authors who have nurtured their craft, their businesses. It's like your baby, and that has grown and it's giving you a lot of credibility. I'm seeing that for sure. Shift in perception, absolutely. You know what? The moment we, as an individual, we manage to change ourselves, our thought process, people around us also tend to look at us in a different light altogether. Step out of your comfort zone. This is another thing. You are usually out of your comfort zone only, and people really love that about you, appreciate that about you. You're always trying to extend your comfort zone in general. All right. So I'm seeing a journey. You know, this person is creating their own journey. Daughters of our mothers, workers of the unknown, take with you on this journey all that you own. Literally, I'm seeing you are a person. This card signifies to me as somebody who has created their own pathway in life. When nobody is supporting you, you will have to create your own way. You'll have to create that path for your own self. You have to become the first person to start something new, and you, a lot of you are actually those initial figures who started your journey. Maybe some of you are like writers of some sort in a certain genre which has given you a lot of popularity, but initially people used to make fun of your writing and whatnot. Maybe a lot of you could be activists, so you guys were, if you're attracted towards the second pile, you could move on and watch that part. Some of you could actually be activists as well. There are certain similarities for sure. Stay rooted and grounded. You guys are extremely grounded people. People just wonder at times, like, what is this person made up of? Like, they achieve so much in life, but they are not boastful at all. Ostentatiousness is not something that you abide by. For you, simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. Wow, my dear pile number three. And that is something that is very, very attractive as a quality in general. Make plans and focus. Literally, I'm seeing you guys are extremely plan oriented. You're very focused. Somebody who is a great planner in general, a great planner, a great executor as well. Your dream needs a practical plan. Exactly. You are a person who knows exactly what, like, what a pragmatic plan would be and how to implement that in your personal life as well. The world awaits you. Absolutely, you are a person whom, for you, every morning is a new better opportunity life is throwing at you to grab and embrace. You literally look at life as such, like, you are grateful for every single morning. Start a revolution. Exactly, you are a revolutionary in your own field. People look up to you. You're pretty well known in your own field. If you're not as of now, you're going to be, provided you put in the right kind of effort, and people really look up to you. I'm seeing a lot of both senior and junior people actually compliment you for all the right things that you are doing, right noises you're making. Surround yourself with love. A lot of you are very much introverted, or rather, more than being introverted, you're friends, but very few people actually know you in person. You love to surround yourself with your near and dear ones, maybe some elements of nature, your pets, your crystals, candles, things that soothe you. Your home could be very cozy, and whenever, like like some people unknowingly they come to your place and they are like blown away. Such a warm and cozy home you live in. Mirror, treat your body like the palace it is. It is a palace. I'm seeing for a lot of you, you have learned to embrace your body. You have learned to embrace every aspect. A lot of you used to be probably pretty critical of your body, but now I'm seeing you guys are way more accepting of your own self, not just the body you reside in. It's your own self that you have accepted, and people are noticing that change and complimenting. Pile 3, time for the charms. Yes, transformation, transformation, and more transformation. People are noticing you transform into the butterfly. You hold the key to your destiny, to your success. Love. A lot of you are attracting love, someone special. Yes, I'm seeing, what? You guys are also very mystical. You come across as very ethereal, mystical, somebody whose hunches and gut feelings tend to come true. Music playing a significant role, animals play a significant role, maybe especially your dogs and cats. Maybe you are a dog lover, or could be an animal right activist, or you tend to surround yourself with a lot of dogs, cats, or some kind of animals. I'm seeing smaller animals, maybe some plants. You love that, like, natural element in your life, the addition of natural elements in your life in general. Also, with this binocular, what I'm seeing is you are a very first sighted person, a star. I'm seeing a star in general. All right, time for the guided messages. Very intellectual. Yes, you are a very intellectually blessed person. Absolutely. You are a thinker, somebody who stays in their, like, realm of ideas most of the time. The most important thing that we all want in life is on the other side of the fear. Absolutely. You are a fearless worker as well. Self-worth and self-respect. You abide by these two principles. Like self-worth, sense of self-worth and sense of self-respect are so goddamn important for someone like you. You're a tech savvy, or you could be tech savvy, or somebody who is working in the IT. Absolutely. You could be like, I'm seeing most of the STEM subjects being very important, like science, technology, even it could be economics, mathematics, those kind of stuff, like biology, chemistry, something related to technology is very important. You guys are very tech savvy for a lot of you. Do the most difficult things while they are easy, and do the great things while they're still small. This is your mantra. A lot of you are high achievers or want to really achieve big, and I can see it in you. Meditation is a way of life. Absolutely. You guys are very much like, a part of you is a complete workaholic, another part of you is a complete reclusive person, somebody who surrounds themselves with nature and meditation. Life in meditation and quiet contemplation is a kind of life that you wish to live, or you actually practice living in general. All right, guys, I hope you had some clarity over your situation, guys. If yes, please hit the like button, share, subscribe, comment. Thank you. Namaste.